In this part, I will discuss various data types in Google Sheet. So for example, as you can see, there are three columns: number, text and date. And if I type a number like, let's say, 00345, and you can see 345. And what if I want to type 00345? Then what I should do, just select this and then go to the format, and here select it as plain text, and now you can type 00345. You can see. So now this whole column, B column, is formatted as the plain text, and by default it is automatically. So for example, let's type another number. Now apply formatting to this date column. So just select this column and go to the format, number, and you can see the date option. And now the date formatting has been applied to this column. So let's add any date. You can see 12/12/2008, and let's add another date. So you can see the date has been added. And what if want to apply the custom date format? So for that, just select this and go to the format and go to the number, and you can select custom date and time. And here you can see first is month, and then is day, and then is year. You can delete this, and you can select any format. For example, you can see first of all day, then month, and then year. Then click on apply, and you can see the format. So it is 12 December 2008, 1 March 2023. And again go to the format, number, and then custom date and time, and you can select any format. So you can select any format. So just click on here, and you can see the date format in that way. So again go to the format, and then date, go to the format, number, and custom date and time, and this time I will apply this formatting and click on apply. And you can see when you apply the date formatting, when you apply the date formatting, it is showing as month, day and year. And what if I want day first, then month, and then year first? There is a no option, as you can see. So for that, I have, what should I do? Go to the file and go to the settings, and here in the journal, just change the locale. So I want to change it to the India. So go to the India, and then click save and reload. And now you can see the go to the format and custom date and time, and you can now see that day, month and year. So even you can see it in the local language, like you can see it is in the Hindi. So you can apply this custom date and time format. Okay, so next I will discuss currency. So next you can see the currency. So first of all, let's format this, let's paint format and apply on this cell. So now I want to type a currency, let's say 50 and 80. And now select this column, go to the format, number, and here you can see the currency. So just select this, and you can see the currency like rupees in the front of the currency, because I have changed the locale to the India. And if you select the US, let's say US, and then you will see the dollar. Just select slave and reload, and go to the column, and then again go to the format, number, and then click on currency, and you can see the currency local. So it depends upon the your locale currency and the type format you can see. So it affects the formatting details such as function, dates and currency. So you can change the locale as per your location, and then you can change the formatting. Let's now add the percentage. And now what I will do is select this column, go to the format and then number, and then I will select the percent. And if I type 45, you can see the percentage sign after that. And if I type 78, you can see the percentage type after that. And if you want to remove this decimal places, so you can just simply click on decrease decimal places. So it's very simple. So you can simply decrease or you can increase the decimal places from here.